Hello, this is Nicko with Food Cravings at chefnicko.com. Today we're making baba ganoush, or just plain eggplant dip. This has to be one of the most tasty dishes of all time, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. Starting with 2 eggplants, which I'll go ahead and place on a slotted grill guard on the stove on high heat. I've seriously found that this is the best way to char eggplants. Once they're blackened like this, we're going to go ahead and dump them in a bath of cold ice water to allow them to cool better, so that they're easier to peel. As you can see, it's already started charring on the inside. That caramel brown color, that's what you're going for. And these skins become easier to peel as they come out of the cold water. All you have to do is be very gentle with your fingertips, so you make sure to not grab any of the eggplant flesh as you're doing this, because you want more surface area. Once we take them out of the water bath and onto the cutting board, it's time to give them a rough slice horizontally across. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and place them into the food processor, like so. Now we're going to add the tahine paste, also some garlic, some lemon juice, some salt, some cumin, and we're going to give it a nice blitz. Here I'm deciding to put the cap on and give it a whirl already. Once that's done, we take the cap off and make sure to scrape the sides of all the deposits. Like, you'll have cumin dust and a little bit of like lemon juice with the tahine all cakey. You need to get all those parts with the spatula, reincorporate them from under and over, then put the top back on, give it a final blitz to make sure everything's evenly incorporated and extra smooth. Once that's done, now we're going to go ahead and dish that into our serving platter, like so. We're going to go in and scrape up the remainders really quick and dish that to the serving platter. Once that's done, we'll hit it with some spices. But first, we're going to go hit it with a little bit of Arabic bread, or as you call pita bread. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. But before that, we're going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of cumin and a little bit of Aleppo pepper. There's that drizzle of olive oil coming up. Oh yeah. Right there, baby. That's money, baby. And there you have it, baba ganoush. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. For more info and ingredient amounts, please visit www.chefnicko.blogspot.com. See you soon, and bon appetit.